Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's session. Today, we're kicking off a deep dive into the Cisco certification portfolio offered by IP Specialist. Whether you're just starting out in networking, planning a career switch to cybersecurity, or aiming for senior level design roles, you're in the right place. In this video and in the full series, we'll explore each certification step by step, from foundational CCNA to CCNA CyberOps, through your choice of CCNP tracks, service provider, security, or enterprise. And finally, up to CCDP for advanced network design. I'll show you what each certification covers, what careers they unlock, and how IP specialists can guide you on the journey. But before you move on with the session, make sure that you've subscribed to IP Specialist on YouTube and don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates. So let's talk about why Cisco certifications matter. They're more than credentials, they prove that you can design, build secure, and automate real world networks. Cisco certification shows employers you're job ready for IT and cybersecurity roles. They recognize worldwide and prove you can actually configure, secure, and optimize real world networks. On average, certified professionals can earn significantly more. CCNA holders see around $7,200 extra annually. Plus, 70% of employers prioritize certified candidates during hiring or promotions. In short, Cisco certification gives you credibility, practical skills, and a clear edge in the job market. IP Specialist offers a fully structured Cisco certification pathway. From CCNA and CCNA CyberOps through CCNP specializations in service provider, security, and enterprise, and culminating in CCDB for advanced network design. The content is up to date, industry aligned, and career focused, exactly what you need to prepare not just for exams, but for real IT and cybersecurity roles. Each course includes expert led modules, hands on labs, and updated question banks, built to help you pass the exams and apply skills in the field. All IP specialist courses come packed with valuable learning tools to help you succeed. Each course includes a comprehensive study guide to guide your preparation, along with carefully crafted practice questions to test your knowledge. You'll also get handy exam cram notes for quick revision and mind maps that simplify complex concepts. To gain practical experience, there are hands on practice labs designed to simulate real world scenarios. Real life examples throughout the course make learning relevant and easier to grasp. Plus, the course comes with auto updates to keep the content fresh and align with the latest exam changes. And to top it off, you'll receive expert exam tips to boost your confidence and help you pass on your first attempt. You'll also get study cards that help you quickly review key concepts, making your preparation focused and efficient. IP Specialist Cisco Learning Path is designed for clear progression and career focus. Start with CCNA to build networking foundations, routing, switching, security, and automation. Then, take CCNA CyberOps if you're moving into cybersecurity operations. Next, choose a CCNP track, service provider, security, or enterprise for advanced role specific skills. Finally, wrap up your journey with CCDP to gain expert level network design expertise. Next, we'll walk through each stage of the pathway, starting with CCNA. CCNA is your essential starting point in the Cisco certification path. The current CCNA exam is 200-301 and it covers networking fundamentals, security basics, automation, and programmability. This means you'll learn how to configure routers and switches, set up VLANs and subnets, apply basic security, and get hands on with automation. All foundational skills for a networking career. In terms of earning potential, here's what you can expect. Entry level professionals with 0 to 2 years of experience typically earn around $55,000 to $75,000 per year. Those with 3 to 5 years move up to $75,000 to $95,000. And with more experience, salaries can reach up to $120,000 to $150,000 or more, often matching or even exceeding CCNP security and architect pay scales. Holding a CCNA signals core networking competency. It shows employers you can confidently handle real world networking tasks and is widely respected across the industry. In fact, 93% of employers believe Cisco certified employees add more value to their teams. As a CCNA holder, you can qualify for roles such as Network Support Engineer or Technical Support Engineer, where you'll troubleshoot and maintain network systems with an average US salary of around $73,000 per year. Network Administrator or Network Analyst, managing VLANs, firewalls, routing, and network monitoring, earning about $74,000 per year. System Administrator, a role that often expands into server management in small to medium businesses and is the next step beyond entry level support. And Data Center Technician or Field Network Technician, focusing on hardware deployments and diagnostics, with data center techs earning around $66,000 annually. So, overall, CCNA is your launch pad into the IT world, giving you both the confidence and the credentials to step into high demand networking and IT roles. CCNA CyberOps. CCNA CyberOps with exam code 210-250 focuses on cybersecurity fundamentals and security operations centers or SOC operations. This certification helps you build a solid foundation for cybersecurity roles, giving you the skills to detect, analyze, and respond to security threats. In terms of salary, SOC analyst roles typically pay between $60,000 to $85,000 per year, aligning well with the entry level and mid level analyst positions. By earning this certification, you open doors to roles such as security analyst, SOC analyst, and incident responder or cybersecurity analyst. These roles are in high demand across industries like finance, healthcare, government, and IT, as organizations increasingly prioritize security to protect against evolving threats. So, if you're aiming to step confidently into the cybersecurity field, CCNA CyberOps is an excellent entry point, providing you with relevant job ready skills for today's market. Once you've completed your CCNA, the next milestone in your Cisco journey is the CCNP, Cisco's professional level certification. When you're ready for CCNP, you'll first choose your track based on your career goals. IP Specially currently offers three popular tracks: service provider, security, and enterprise. Once you've chosen your track, you need to pass two exams to get certified: one core exam and one concentration exam. The core exam covers the foundational and broad concepts for your chosen track, ensuring you understand the key technologies and principles. The concentration exam lets you specialize further by focusing on a specific area within that track, such as advanced routing, VPN technologies, or automation. In short, to earn your CCNP, you pick a track, pass the core exam plus one concentration exam, and you're certified, opening up opportunities for higher level roles in your chosen specialization. Next, we'll break down the CCNP tracks offered by IP specialists to help you decide which path aligns best with your career plans. So now that you know how the CCNP certification structure works, let's explore each specialization starting with the CCNP service provider track. The CCNP service provider track is designed for those who want to manage and implement Cisco service provider networks. To earn this certification, you'll complete one core exam and one concentration exam. The core exam, CCNP SP Core 350501, covers foundational technologies in service provider networks like core architecture, services, networking, automation, and security. Then, you'll choose a concentration exam to focus on a specific skill area. For this track, it's typically the CCNP SPRI 300-510, which dives deeper into advanced routing solutions for service provider environments. With this certification, you can expect salaries in the range of $92,000 to $108,000 per year. It prepares you for roles like service provider network engineer, network designer or architect, network manager, and security analyst focusing on service provider infrastructure. The CCNP service provider validates your ability to configure, verify, and optimize advanced service provider networks using technologies like MPLS, QoS, security, and automation. Plus, it opens doors to senior consulting and leadership roles within the industry, making it a strategic certification if you aim to advance in service provider networking. After exploring the service provider path, let's move on to another high demand specialization within the CCNP track: CCNP Security. The CCNP Security certification is designed for professionals who want to implement and operate secure Cisco networks. To earn this certification, you'll take the core exam CCNP S Core 350701, which covers security infrastructure, network security, cloud security, content security, endpoint protection, and secure network access. Then, you will complete a concentration exam, commonly the CCNP SVPN 300-730, focusing on implementing secure VPN solutions. In terms of earning potential, CCNP security professionals typically earn between $99,000 to $153,000 or more per year, reflecting the demand for advanced security expertise. This certification prepares you for roles such as network security engineer, cybersecurity consultant, SOC analyst or manager, penetration tester, and IT security manager or architect. Earning the CCNP security demonstrate your expertise in Cisco security, architecture, firewalls, VPNs, intrusion detection, and security policy deployment. It also offers strong career progression, positioning you towards senior leadership, architect, and even CISO level roles as you continue to grow in your cybersecurity career. Next, in the CCNP track, let's explore a certification that's highly versatile and in demand across industries, the CCNP Enterprise. The CCNP Enterprise certification is designed for professionals who want to design and manage enterprise networking solutions. This certification requires you to pass the core exam CCNP INCORE 350401, which covers advanced routing, switching, wireless, security, and automation for enterprise networks. You will also take a concentration exam, typically the CCNP NRC 300-410, which focuses on advanced routing and services implementation in complex enterprise environments. Professionals with CCNP Enterprise certification typically earn between $92,000 and $108,000 per year. This certification opens doors to roles like network engineer, senior network engineer, systems engineer, network administrator, infrastructure architect or manager, network automation, and SD-WAN specialist, and cloud connectivity or infrastructure security advisor. The market demand for these roles is strong, especially in hybrid, cloud oriented environments where advanced routing, SD-WAN, wireless, and automations are critical. It's also trusted for strategic architecture initiatives and vendor engagements, making it a key certification if you want to advance in enterprise networking and design. Finally, in our Cisco certification journey, let's look at a certification design specifically for those focusing on network design, the Cisco Certified Design Professional or CCDP. The CCDP requires passing the exam 300-320 exam and is ideal for designing scalable, reliable Cisco networks. This certification is suitable for network design engineers looking to advance their design knowledge and strategic planning skills. In terms of salary, CCDP certified professionals typically earn between $120,000 to $150,000 or more per year, reflecting its senior level positioning. Career paths include roles such as network design engineer, network architect, and infrastructure solutions architect. Holding a CCDP positions you as an expert in designing high performance, scalable network infrastructures, typically placing you in a senior level in strategic roles within organizations. We have now walked through the entire Cisco certification portfolio offered by IP specialists, from building your foundations with CCNA, stepping into cybersecurity with CCNA, CyberOps, advancing your expertise with CCNP tracks in service provider, security, and enterprise, and leveling up your design skills with the CCDP. These certifications not only validate your technical skills but also positions you for higher salaries and clear career growth. Also, stronger job security in the IT and cybersecurity industries. And with IP specialist structure training, labs, and updated resources, you can confidently prepare for these certifications while gaining hands-on skills needed in real-world environments. So if you're ready to advance your IT or cybersecurity career, now is the time to start your Cisco certification journey. Check out the IP Specialist platform to access expert led courses, practical labs, and comprehensive study guides that will help you prepare and pass your certifications confidently. You can also purchase our books directly from Amazon to reinforce your learning and stay exam ready. That concludes our session for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And also share it with your colleagues or friends who might benefit from this information. If you have any questions or topics that you would like us to cover in the future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is very valuable to us.